Namaskaram, madam.
Namaskaram. Good to see you.
Thank you.
Okay, we'll get started.
Yeah.
So we are going to learn Kanakadhara Stotram. This is a very popular stotram for its benefits. Brahmacharis and sannyasis are not allowed to cook. They were completely dependent on the community. So one day, Adi Shankara, he went door to door begging for food, bhiksha. So he stood at one of the doors and he called out, Bhavati Bhikshan Dehi. The woman in the house was poor. She had nothing to offer, not even a single grain of rice. So she looks all over the house and she finds a semi-rotten gooseberry. I think this is a very popular story. Most of you probably know. All that she finds is a gooseberry, which is almost like on the verge of rotting. One second, I just need to admit someone. So she offers the rotten gooseberry to Adi Shankara. Adi Shankara was very pleased with this act because the lady was so poor that that was the only possession of food she had, and her willingness to share whatever she had impressed Adi Shankaracharya. So he prayed to goddess Lakshmi. Goddess Lakshmi says, so he chanted Kanakadhara Stotram spontaneously. Okay, so goddess, and imagine Adi Shankara was only 7 years old. How impressive he is. So he chants Kanakadhara Stotram. Lakshmi goddess says, no, I cannot make her rich like this. Because of her past deeds, karma, she is in this shape. So Adi Shankara pleads with Devi. Devi gets impressed with his chanting and she showers golden gooseberries. So this is the story behind Kanakadhara Stotram. So we learn to chant this. There are, apart from wealth benefits, it says it can solve all our money problems. But that is a very short-sighted view about the benefits this stotram can offer. So we need to expand that to good health, neighborhood, neighbors, friends like you all. So everything is a blessing these days. With that, we'll get started. Can all of you see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I will call out a name. Okay, let's start. Om Mahalakshmyai cha vidmahe Vishnupatnyai cha dhimahi Tanno Lakshmi prachodayat. We'll start in the order in which the names are listed on my screen. Meenakshi ma'am, I would like to call upon you.
Okay, ma'am. I'm here.
Yeah.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I can hear you. Repeat twice after me. Angam Haref.
Angam Hare.
Angam Haref. If will come, ma'am. Hare, Hare, He, followed by Per. So if sound will come. Angam Haref.
Angam Hare. Angam Hare.
Pulaka Bhushana.
Pulaka Bhushana. Pulaka भूषण
माश्रयन्ति
माश्रयन्ति माश्रयन्ति
अंगं हरेः पुलकभूषणमाश्रयन्ति
अंगं हरेः पुलकभूषणमाश्रयन्ति अंगं हरेः पुलकभूषणमाश्रयन्ति
भृङ्गाङ्गनेव
भृङ्गाङ्गनेव भृङ्गाङ्गनेव
मुकुलाभरणन्तमालम्
मुकुलाभरणं तमालं मुकुलाभरणं तमालम्
भृङ्गाङ्गनेव मुकुलाभरणन्तमालम्
भृङ्गाङ्गनेव मुकुलाभरणं तमालम् भृङ्गाङ्गनेव मुकुलाभरणं तमालम्
अङ्गीकृताखिल
अङ्गीकृताखिल अङ्गीकृताखिल
विभूतिरपाङ्गलीला
विभूतिरपाङ्गलीला विभूतिरपाङ्गलीला
अङ्गीकृताखिल विभूतिरपाङ्गलीला
अङ्गीकृता किल विभूतिरपाङ्गलीला
One more time.
अङ्गीकृता किल विभूतिरपाङ्गलीला
माङ्गल्यदास्तु मम माङ्गल्यदास्तु
माङ्गल्यदास्तु माङ्गल्यदास्तु
मम मङ्गलदेवतायाः
मम मङ्गलदेवतायाः मम मङ्गलदेवतायाः
माङ्गल्यदास्तु मम मङ्गलदेवतायाः
माङ्गल्यदास्तु मम मङ्गलदेवतायाः माङ्गल्यदास्तु मम मङ्गलदेवतायाः
Good. Any doubts? Anybody? Or shall we move on to the next shloka?
Madam, the second line, it is Mukula Baranan.
Bharanan. Yeah, that's
Bharanan.
Anuswara rule. That's an advanced rule of Sanskrit. So the dot,
Fine,
right, the
okay.
bindu matra followed by ta will be pronounced as in. It's a
In,
Vedic
okay.
way of chanting. Bharanam
Fine.
is also correct. Okay, if Bharanan,
Okay.
if following this rule is like little tough for the beginners, you can say Bharanam Tamalam.
Okay, because in the book it's mentioned as him, that's why I wanted to clarify.
Yes,
Thank you.
Shall we move on to the next one?
Yes, yes.
Angam hare pulakabhushanamaasrayanti bhringanganeva mukulabharanantamalam angikritakila vibhutirapangaleela mangalyadastu mama mangala devatayaha.
Shall I repeat, ma'am?
Yeah, you want to repeat? Yes, sure.
Angam hare pulakabhushanamaasrayanti.
Meena ma'am, one small feedback. Angam hare, that if sound should be heard.
Okay, okay. Angam hare pulakabhushanamaasrayanti. Bhrunganganeva mukulabharanam tamalam. Angikruta kila vibhudirapangaleela. Mangalyadastu mama mangala devatayaha.
Okay, Good. I would next like to call upon Deepak. Your name is next in the list.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes. Hello.
Okay. Mugdha muhurvidadhati.
Mugdha muhurvidhadati. Mugdha muhurvidhadati.
Vidadhati. Both the das are there. First the followed by second big the. Vidadhati.
Vidadhati.
Mugdha muhurvidadhati.
Mugdha muhurvidhadati. Mugdha muhurvidhadati.
Vadane murarehe.
Vadane murarehe. Vadane murarehe.
Mugdha muhurvidadhati vadane murarehe.
Mugdha muhurvidadati vadane murarehe.
One more time.
Mugdha muhurvidadati vadane murarehe.
Prematra prap. Prap, because you hold the ip because pra is there. Okay. Hold the ip for tra. Prematra pra. Sorry. Prematra pap.
Prematra pap. Prematra pap.
Pranihitani.
Pranihitani. Pranihitani.
Gatagatani.
Gatagatani. Gatagatani.
Prematra pranihitani gatagatani.
Prematra papranihitani gatagatani. Prematra papranihitani gatagatani.
Maladrishor.
Maladrishor. Maladrishor.
Madhukariva.
Madhukariva. Madhukariva.
Mahotpaleya.
Mahotpaleya. Mahotpaleya.
Maladrishor madhukariva mahotpaleya.
Maladrishor madhukariva madhotpaleya. Maladrishor madhukariva mahotpaleya.
The small feedback is drishor. Ir has to be heard. Okay. Drishor. Take a small pause there.
Sure.
Madhukariva. Okay, we'll move on. Samesri. Mesh. Okay. Samesh Sriyam. Samesh. Sorry. Samesh Sriyam.
Samesh Sriyam. Samesh Sriyam.
Dishatu Sagara Sambhavayaha.
Dishatu Sagara Sambhavayaha. Dishatu Sagara Sambhavayaha.
You take your time to say sam, and you'll gather strength to say bha. Sambhavayaha.
Sambhavayaha.
Samesh Sriyam Dishatu Sagara Sambhavayaha.
Same Shriyam Dishatu Sagara Sambhavayaha.
One more time.
Same Shriyam Dishatu Sagara Sambhavayaha.
Okay. Any doubts? Shall we move? Mugdha muhur vidadhati vadane murarehe. प्रेमत्र प्राप्रणिहितानि गतागतानि मालादृशोर्मधुकरीव महोत्पलेया सा मे श्रियं दिशतु सागरसम्भवायाः. Like it's important to chant the whole line together. If you see each shlokam, all of you can see this my screen, right? So each shlokam is broken down into, there are 2 lines and it's broken down into 4 parts. So it is important to chant the whole line together. Because they say shloka chanting is a natural way of pranayama. So when we chant the whole line together, it is like exercising our breathing, the natural pranayama. So if we are taking frequent breaks, then it doesn't serve that purpose. That's why so much effort we need to spend to say the whole line, and it sounds good, right? When we say the whole line together, it sounds good. So if we were to say the first these 2 lines together, then it would be Mugdha Muhur Vidadhati Vadane Murares. If will come. Okay. Visargam, these 2 dots followed by pa or pra will become if. So Muraref Prematra Pranihitani Gata Gatani. Then only take a break. That's how it should be chanted. So you will build that stamina. It will, I mean, those of us who are not used to this, it will take time. Okay. Next one. Next, I would like to call upon. 1 second. I'm sorry, I have to admit few people. Okay. After Meenakshi ma'am, Deepak, Kalyani.
Yes.
Amilitakshama.
No. It's third sloka, right, ma'am? Third.
Yeah. Third one.
No, Vishwamarendra.
It's different for you.
No. It is like the third one is Vishwamarendra Pada Vibravadana Daksha.
I don't have that. Okay,
No problem. I have this.
You have this? Okay. Amilitakshama.
Amilitakshama. Amilitakshama.
Litakshama.
Litakshama.
Adhigamya mudamukundam.
Adhigamya mudamukundam. Adhigamya mudamukundam.
Amilitakshama. You can say litaksham adhigamya, or we can say together. Amilitaksham adhigamya mudamukundam.
Amilitaksham adhigamya mudamukundam. Amilitaksham adhigamya mudamukundam.
Anandakandam, or we can say, yeah, Anandakandam.
Anandakandam. Anandakandam.
Animeshamanangatantram.
Animeshamanangatantram. Animeshamanangatantram.
Good. For the purpose of teaching, I had to break the word, but we'll say it together now. Anandakandam animeshamanangatantram.
Anandakandamanimeshamanangatantram. Anandakandamanimeshamanangatantram.
Akekarasthita.
आकेकरस्थित आकेकरस्थित
कनीनिकपक्ष्मनेत्रम्
कनीनिकपक्ष्मनेत्रम् कनीनिकपक्ष्मनेत्रम्
आकेकरस्थितकनीनिकपक्ष्मनेत्रम्
आकेकरस्थितकनीनिकपक्ष्मनेत्रम्.
One more time.
आकेकरस्थितकनीनिकपक्ष्मनेत्रम्.
भूत्यै भवेन्मम
भूत्यै भवेन्मम भूत्यै भवेन्मम
भुजङ्गशयाङ्गनायाः
भुजङ्गशयाङ्गनायाः भुजङ्गशयाङ्गनायाः
भूत्यै भवेन्मम भुजङ्गशयाङ्गनायाः
भूत्यै भवेन्मम भुजङ्गशयाङ्गनायाः भूत्यै भवेन्मम भुजङ्गशयाङ्गनायाः.
Good. Any doubts? Yes, please. आमीलिताक्षमधिगम्य मुदा मुकुन्दम् आनन्दकन्दमनिमेषमनङ्गतन्त्रम् आकेकरस्थितकनीनिकपक्ष्मनेत्रम् भूत्यै भवेन्मम भुजङ्गशयाङ्गनायाः. We'll move on to
आमीलिताक्षमधिगम्य मुदा मुकुन्दम् आनन्दकन्दमनिमेषमनङ्गतन्त्रम् आकेकरस्थितकनीनिकपक्ष्मनेत्रम् भूत्यै भवेन्मम भुजङ्गशयाङ्गनायाः.
correct, correct. So this akshar, right? This one, the where my cursor is currently located, it is big sh. You have to stress litaksha. It is the big sh of Sanskrit. So it will be nice if we can say it with force. Okay. Amilitaksha. That way. It was a generic. It was a tip that I provided. Next one. Let's see who's next on the list. Lalita.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we're going to chant shloka number 4. Bah. Okay, hold the ha. Bahvantare.
Bahvantare. Bahvantare.
Madhujitaha.
Matujitaha. Matujitaha.
Shrita kaustubheya.
Srita kaustubeya. Srita kaustubeya.
So if we say madhujitaha, so together it will be visargam followed by this shri speed up of shra, right? Ish. So madhujitash. Okay. Bahvantare madhujitash shrita kaustubheya.
Bahvantare matujita srita kaustubeya.
Okay. Again, one more.
Bahvantare matujita srita kaustubeya.
Haravaliva.
Haravaliva. हारावलीव हारावलीव
हरिनीलमयी
हरिनीलमयी हरिनीलमयी
विभाति
विभाति विभाति
हारावलीव हरिनीलमयी विभाति
हारावलीव हरिनीलमयी विभाति हारावलीव हरिनीलमयी विभाति
कामप्रदा
कामप्रदा कामप्रदा
कामप्रदा
कामप्रदा कामप्रदा
भगवतोऽपि
बहवतोऽपि बहवतोऽपि
भगवान we say no that भगवतोऽपि
बहवतोऽपि बहवतोऽपि
कटाक्षमाला
कडाक्षमाला कडाक्षमाला
कामप्रदा भगवतोऽपि कटाक्षमाला sorry I lost it. कामप्रदा भगवतोऽपि कटाक्षमाला
कामप्रदा बहवतोऽपि कडाक्षमाला कामप्रदा बहवतोऽपि कडाक्षमाला
कल्याणमावहतु मे
कल्याणमावहतु मे कल्याणमावहतु मे
कमलालयायाः
कमलायाः
I repeat ma कमलालयायाः
कमलायाः
okay say Kamala you got it la ya yaha कमलालयायाः
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 लयायाः
कल्याणमावहतु मे कमलालयायाः
कल्याणमावहतु मे कमलायायाः
okay any doubts
the last one I'll correct.
Last one you said correct. Yeah. Bahvantare madhujitash sritakaustubeya haravaliva harinilamayi vibhati kamaprada bhagavatopi katakshamala कल्याणमावहतु मे कमलालयायाः
Okay, I need to.
You want to try or we'll move on? Try offline.
I'll try.
Okay.
बाहवन्तरे मधुचित श्रित कौस्तुभेया हारावलीव हरिनीलमयी विभाति
Kamaprada.
कामप्रदा बहवतोऽपि कडाक्षमाला कल्याणमाहतु मे कमला
Vahatu kalyanama vahatu me.
कल्याणमाहतु मे कमलायया
Kamala. Take a break, okay? When you're practicing, you can break anywhere. Kamala, laya, yaha.
कमलायया
Laya, ya, laya, laya.
लया लया या
One second. There are people waiting to join. One second. Okay. So good attempt. We go to the next one. Oh, sorry. So Jyoti ma'am. Kala. Jyoti ma'am.
Yeah, namaste, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, namaste. Kalambuda.
Kalambuda. Kalambuda.
Kalambuda lilalito rasi.
Kalambuda lilalito-rasi. Kalambuda lilalito-rasi.
One second, ma. I'm just muting people. Okay. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Sorry, I lost my trail of thought. Kalambuda lilala. Sorry, Kalambuda lilalito rasi.
Kalambuda lilalito-rasi. Kalambuda lilalito-rasi.
Kaitabhare.
Kaitabhare. Kaitabhare.
So if you observe, ma'am, there are both the l's are available. This
Yeah.
la, the 8, the sleeping 8, that is old style of la from the from the middle of your mouth. This la,
Okay.
but I think nowadays it's interchangeably used. Kalambudali lalito rasikaita bhare.
Kalambudhalilalito-rasi-kaita-bharehe. Kalambudhalilalito-rasi-kaita-bharehe.
Dharadhare spurati.
Dharadhare spurati. Dharadhare spurati.
Spurati yat. One second, ma'am. Tadi danganeva. Tadi danganeva. Spurati yat tadi danganeva.
Spurati yatadi dhanganeva. Spurati yatadi sorry ma'am. Spurati yatadi dhanganeva.
Okay, so the tune is first line Kalambuda. We are going down. This is like Lalita Sahasranamam Dhyanam tune only. But you can apply any tune for the purpose of this class. I've used it. Kalambuda. We are going down. Second line Dharadhare. Slightly up. Dharadhare Spuratiya Tadi Danganeva.
Kalambudhali lalito-rasi-kaita-bharehe. Dharadhare spurati yatadi danganeva.
Spuratiya, ya is long, huh? Spuratiya tadi. And one more knowledge point. kaita bharehe, if we are splitting it, right? We are pausing there.
Yeah.
But if we want to
Yeah.
say it together, then kaita bhare, that's it. Then dhara. No need to leave
Okay.
visarga. Try that way, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. कालाम्बुधाळि ललितोरसि कैटबारे धाराधरे स्फुरति या तडिदङ्गने वा.
Okay. Only tune. Dhara dhare. Just go up slightly, ma'am. Second.
Okay.
We will get used.
Okay.
We'll go to the next
Okay.
one. Matus samasta jagatam.
मातुः समस्तजगतां मातुः समस्तजगतां
Mahaniyamurtihi.
महनीयमूर्तिः महनीयमूर्तिः
Matus samasta jagatam mahaniyamurtihi.
मातुः समस्तजगतां महनीयमूर्तिः मातुः समस्तजगतां महनीयमूर्तिः
Bhadrani me dishatu.
भद्राणि मे दिशतु
Go up, ma'am. Bhadrani me dishatu.
भद्राणि मे दिशतु भद्राणि मे दिशतु
Bhargavanandanayaha.
भार्गवनन्दनायाः भार्गवनन्दनायाः
Matus samasta jagatam mahaniyamurtihi. Bhadrani me dishatu bhargavanandanayaha.
मातुः समस्तजगतां महनीयमूर्तिः भद्राणि मे दिशतु भार्गवनन्दनायाः मातुः समस्तजगतां महनीयमूर्तिः भद्राणि मे दिशतु भार्गवनन्दनायाः.
Okay, good. Any doubts? Anybody? We'll move on.
No.
Okay, we'll move on. Okay, we may run out of time. Go to the next one. Next person. Okay, Pavani.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Praptam padam.
Praptam padam. Praptam padam.
Prathamatah. Okay.
Yes. Pratamathak.
Again, ma'am.
Pratamathak.
Khalu yat prabhavan.
Khalu yat bhavat. Khalu yat
Prabhavan.
Khalu yat prabhavat, or what is it, ma'am?
In at least in the Sanskrit documents version, it's in only. Prabhavan.
Prabhavan. Prabhavan.
Praptam padam prathamathak khalu yat prabhavan.
Praptam padam. Praptam padam.
Praptam padam. Good.
Praptam padam. Praptam padam. Prathamathak khalu yat prabhavan. Prathamathak khalu yat prabhavan.
Mangalya bhaji.
Mangalya bhaji. Mangalya bhaji.
Madhumathini.
Madhumathini. Madhumathini.
Manmathena.
Manmathena. मन्मथेन
माङ्गल्यभाजि मधुमाथिनि मन्मथेन
माङ्गल्यभाजि मधुमाथिनि मन्मथेन माङ्गल्यभाजि मधुमाथिनि मन्मथेन
गुड मय्यापतेत्तदिह
मय्यापतेद्दिह
patet patet, there are two thas. If you see here, the cursor where my cursor is pointing, there are two thas. Mayyapatettadiha.
मय्यापतेत्तदिह मय्यापतेत्तदिह.
Okay, so all the, her, they're all small, right? Short. So you have to say it together. Tadiha.
तदिह
May-
मय्यापतेत्तदिह.
Good. Mayyapatettadiha mantharamikshanaardham.
मन्थरमीक्षणार्थं मन्थरमीक्षणार्थं
मय्यापतेत्तदिह मन्थरमीक्षणार्धम्.
मय्यापतेत्तदिह मन्थरमीक्षणार्थं
Go down, go down. मय्यापतेत्तदिह
मय्यापतेत्तदिह मन्थरमीक्षणार्थं मय्यापतेत्तदिह मन्थरमीक्षणार्थं.
Mandalasancha incha will come. Okay, this is also Anuswara rule. That bindu followed by cha will say incha. Mandalasancha.
Mandalasancha Mandalasancha
Makaralaya kanyakayaha.
Makaralaya Kanyakayaha Makaralaya Kanyakayaha.
Okay, any doubts, ma? We'll move on.
No.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Pavani. Next,
Yes,
after Pavani, Subhadra. Subhadra, you're on mute. Okay, maybe. Okay, next person, Sujata.
Okay.
Okay. Vishwamarendra.
Vishwamarendra
Padavibrama.
Padavibrama
Danadaksham.
Danadaksham
Vishwamarendra Padavibrama Danadaksham.
Vishwamarendra Padavibramadhanadaksham Vishwamarendra Padavibramadhanadaksham
Anandaheturadhikam.
Anandaheturadhikam
Muravidvishopi.
Muravidvishopi
Anandaheturadhikam Muravidvishopi.
Anandaheturadhikam Muravidvishopi Anandaheturadhikam Muravidvishopi.
Good, well done. Ishan, E is long, okay? Ishan Nishidatu.
Ishan Nishidatu
Mayikshanamikshanardha.
मयिक्षणमीक्षणार्धम् मयिक्षणमीक्षणार्धम्.
Good. So if you're saying Nardam, then we have to say Indi. Okay, it will become not Mindi, Indi. Indi Varodara Saho.
இந்தீவர மேம் சொல்லுங்க.
Indi. We said Kshanardham. So we included this ma in dham. So we have to say Indi. Indi Varodara Saho.
இந்தீவரோதர சகோ இந்தீவரோத சகோ வதோ இந்தீவரோதர சகோ
Dharamindirayaha.
தரமிந்திராயாஹ தரமிந்திராயாஹ.
Okay. So we can say Ishan Nishidatu Mayikshanamikshan. Sorry. Kshanamikshanardhamindi Varodara Sahodaramindiraya. If you are breaking,
ஈஷன்
yeah, try me.
ईशन्निषीदधु मयि क्षणमीक्षणार्धम् इन्दीवरोदरस रसस sorry
Varasaho.
इन्दीव
Indi Varodara Saho.
इन्दीवरोदर सहोदरमिन्दिरायाः.
Got it, right?
Okay.
Any doubts? Okay,
No,
we'll move. Okay, we'll move on. Let's see. Sujata. Okay, Usha.
Ma'am?
Yeah. Ishta Vishishta.
इष्टा विशिष्ट इष्टा विशिष्ट
Matayopi Yayadayardra.
मतयोऽपि यया दयार्द्र मतयोऽपि यया दयार्द्र
Ishta Vishishta Matayopi Yayadayardra.
इष्टा विशिष्ट मतयोऽपि यया दयार्द्र इष्टा विशिष्ट मतयोऽपि यया दयार्द्र
Drishtyat, hold the it for tra. Drishtyat Trivishta Papadam.
दृष्ट्याति दृष्टपपदं
So,
दृष्ट्यास्त्रि right ma'am
correct.
दृष्ट्यात्रि विशिष्टपपदं
Vishta Papadam. So this three, right?
विशिष्टपपदं
Three, this is for everybody. When you encounter tra, you have to hold the it. So drishtya, ya is long, but with the holding of ta, it will be longer. Drishtya, trivishta papadam. That's the right way. Or you can say drishtya, trivishta. That is not the right way of chanting. Repeat, ma.
दृष्ट्यात्रि विशिष्टपपदं
Trivishta papadam.
विविष्टपपदं दृष्ट्यात्रि विविष्टपपदं
Sulabham labhante.
सुलभं लभन्ते सुलभं लभन्ते
दृष्ट्या त्रिविष्टपपदं सुलभं लभन्ते.
दृष्ट्या विष्टपपदं सुलभं लभन्ते दृष्ट्या विष्टपपदं सुलभं लभन्ते.
Okay. दृष्टिः प्रहृष्टा.
दृष्टिः प्रगृष्ट
if sound. Okay? Drishtihi followed by pra or pa will come if. Drishtif pra, sorry, drishtif prahrishta.
Drishti Drishti Prakrishta Drishti Prakrishta
Kamalodara.
Kamalodara
Deeptirishtam.
Deeptirishtam
We'll try, okay? Drishtif prahrishta kamalodara deeptirish. Change my tune. Drishtif prahrishta kamalodara deeptirishtam. Okay, I'm not getting the tune. Okay, you can say.
Drishti Prakrishta Kamalodara Deeptirishtam Drishti Prakrishta Kamalodara Deeptirishtam
Pushtim krishishta.
Pushtim Krishishta
Mama pushkara vishtarayaha.
Mama Pushkara Vishtarayaha Mama Pushkara Vishtarayaha
Pushtim krishishta. I think I made a mistake. Pushtim krishishta mama pushkara vishtarayaha.
Pushtim Krishishta Mama Pushkara
Krishishta.
Krishishta
She should be long. Krishishta. Correct.
Pushtim Krishishta Mama Pushkara Vishtarayaha.
Okay, good. I'll chant this. It's a slightly difficult shlogam. Ishta vishishta matayopi yayadayardra drishtya trivishta papadam sulabham labhante drishtif prahrishta kamalodara deeptirishtam Pushtim krishishta mama pushkara vishtarayaha. Sha, okay, vish. It is not sa or sha, sha from, the big one. We'll move on. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next person. This is 9th one, right? I don't know Sanskrit, the numbering. This is 9th one is the most important shlokam of Kanakadhara Stotram. Okay, so this is like it's Adi Shankara. He is seeking forgiveness of all the woman's sins. So that's what it means. It's a prayer. So we'll go next person. Vatsala. Sorry, I'm calling you all by name.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, madam. Yes.
Okay. Dadyadayanu
Dadyadayanu
Twice, ma'am. Repeat twice.
Dadyadayanu
Pavanod will come. Okay. Because dra, the and ra, so you have to put the id.
Okay.
Dravinam Budharam.
Dravinam Budaram. Dravinam Budaram.
Dravinam Budhar, dha, big dha, dharam.
Dravinam Budaram. Dravinam Budaram.
Dadyadayanu Pavano Dravinam Budharam.
Dadyadayanu Pavano Dravinam Budaram.
Again. Go down.
Dadyadayanu Dadyadayanu Pavano Dravinam Budaram.
Asmin. Asminna kincha.
Asminna kincha. Asminna kincha.
Kinchana viha. Sorry, I'll just try to say more syllables. Asminna kinchana vihanga.
Asminna kinchana vihanga. Asminna kinchana vihanga.
Shishau vishanne.
Shishau vishanne. Shishau vishanne.
Asminna kinchana viha. Sorry. Asminna kinchana vihanga shishau vishanne.
Asminna kinchana vihanga shishau vishanne. Asminna kinchana vihanga shishau vishanne.
Okay. Dushkarma gharma mapaniya.
Dushkarma garma mapaniya. Dushkarma garma pamaniya.
Gharma map, or you have to say gharmam apaniya. If you are breaking,
Garma mapaniya.
we are saying together. So gharma mapaniya.
Okay. Dushkarma garma mapaniya.
Correct.
Dushkarma garma mapaniya.
Dushkarma means bad deeds. So
Yeah.
chiraya duram. Okay. Chiraya duram.
Chiraya duram. Chiraya duram.
Dushkarma gharma mapaniya chiraya duram.
Dushkarma garma paniya chiraya duram. Dushkarma garma mapaniya chiraya duram.
Narayana pranayini naya. Okay, we take it. Narayana pranayini.
Narayana pranayini. Narayana pranayini.
Nayanambuvahaha.
Nayanambuvahaha. Nayanambuvahaha.
Narayana pranayini nayanambuvahaha.
Narayana pranayini nayanambuvahaha.
Good. Any doubts? Let's chant. Let me chant this. Dadyadayanu dravinambudharam asminna kinchana vihanga shishau vishanne dushkarma gharma mapaniya chiraya duram narayana pranayini nayanambuvahaha. Okay, move on.
Yeah.
Next one. Sorry, ma'am. Anandi ma'am. Dr. Anandi.
Yes, ma'am. Hari Om.
Hari Om, ma'am. Nice to meet you. It is not the, if you see in the text, it's the, but it is ghee. Okay. Ghir devateti.
Geetdevateti. Geetdevateti.
Garudhadvaja.
Garudadvaja. Garudadvaja.
Sundariti.
Sundariti. Sundariti.
Ghir devateti garudad. Sorry. धीर्देवतेति गरुडध्वज सुन्दरीति
कीर्देवतेति गरुडध्वज सुन्दरीति
Good.
कीर्देवतेति गरुडध्वज सुन्दरीति
शाकम्भ big b, okay, शाकम्भरीति
सागम्बरीति सागम्बरीति
शशिशेखर वल्लभेति शशिशेखरवल्लभेति
शशिशेखरवल्लभेति शशिशेखरवल्लभेति
शाकम्भरीति शशिशेखरवल्लभेति
शागम्भरीत शशिशेखरवल्लभेति शागम्भरीत शशिशेखरवल्लभेति
It is a Shakambhariti, ma'am, not
शागम्भरीति शशिशेखरवल्लभेति
Okay. Srishtisthiti, sthitip, because pra is coming, you have to hold the ip. Srishtisthitip,
सृष्टिस्थितिप्
pralaya kelishu samsthitayai.
प्रलयकेलिषु संस्थिताया
I'll repeat, ma'am. Pralaya kelishu, shu, li or short. K alone is long. Pralaya kelishu samsthitayai. Samsthitayai.
प्रलयकेलिषु संस्थितायै प्रलयकेलिषु संस्थितायै
One small feedback. Samsthit, you are saying, you are stopping at the sound. Don't say samsthitayai.
संस्थितायै
Yes. Okay.
प्रलयकेलिषु संस्थितायै
Correct. Good. Srishtisthiti pralayakelishu samsthitayai.
सृष्टिस्थिति प्रलयकेलिषु संस्थितायै सृष्टिस्थिति प्रलयकेलिषु संस्थितायै
Yeah. Break it. Samsthitayai. Say tayai separately. Then you will get it.
तायै
Tayai. Tasyai. You want to repeat, ma?
या
Okay.
प्रलयकेलिषु संस्थितायै
Okay. Correct. Correct. Tasyai namastribhuvanai.
तस्यै नमस्त्रिभुवनै तस्यै नमस्त्रिभुवनै
Tribhuvanaika gurostarunyai.
त्रिभुवनै कुरोस्तरुण्यै त्रिभुवनै कुरोस्तरुण्यै
Tribhuvanaika. Ka is full, ma'am. So, naika guros tarunyai. We'll say the whole line. Tasyai namastribhuvanaika guros tarunyai.
तस्यै नमस्त्रिभुवनै कुरोस्तरुण्यै तस्यै नमस्त्रिभुवनै कुरोस्तरुण्यै
Okay, ma'am, small feedback. Bhuvanaika. Ka you have to say fully. Don't say naika. Naik you will say if ka were to be half. But ka is
Okay.
full. So naika guros tarunyai. Repeat, ma'am.
तस्यै नमस्त्रिभुवनैक कुरोस्तरुण्यै
Correct.
तस्यै नमस्त्रिभुवनैककुरोस्तरुण्यै.
Good. We'll move on. Any doubts?
Ma'am, please repeat full sloka on time.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
घीदेवतेति गरुडध्वज सुन्दरीति शाकम्भरीति शशिशेखर वल्लभेति सृष्टिस्थिति प्रलय केलिषु संस्थितायै तस्यै नमस्ते भुवनैक गुरोस्तरुण्यै. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next one, 11th one. Okay, who has to chant? Okay, we'll go back on top. Shri Vidya, good morning, good afternoon. Okay, 11th one.
Yes, ma'am.
Shrutyai namostu.
Shrutyai namostu. Srushtyai namostu.
Shrutyai.
Okay. Shrutyai namostu.
Shubha karma phala prasutyai.
Shubh karma phala prasutyai.
Shubha, say bha fully. Shubha karma phala prasutyai.
Shubha karma phala prasutyai.
Good.
Shubha karma phala prasutyai.
Shrutyai namostu shubha karma phala prasotyai.
Shrutyai namostu shubha karma phala prasutyai.
Again.
Shrutyai namostu shubha karma phala prasutyai.
Ratyai namostu.
Ratyai namostu. Ratyai namostu.
Ramaniya gunarnavayai.
Ramaniya gunarnavayai. Ramaniya gunarnavarai.
Vayai.
Vayai.
Ratyai namostu ramaniya gunarnavayai.
Ratyai namostu ramaniya gunarnavayai. Ratyai namostu ramaniya gunarnavayai.
Second time was perfect. Shakyai namostu.
Shakyai namostu. Shakyai namostu.
Shatapatra niketanayai.
Shatapatra niketanayai. Shakyai namostu shatapatra niketanayai. Shakyai namostu shatapatra niketanayai.
Okay, I think from now on the lines are simpler. We'll try to say the whole line. Pushtyai namostu purushottama vallabhayai.
Pushtyai namostu purushottama vallabhayai.
Good. Again.
Pushtyai namostu Pushtyai namostu purushottama vallabhayai.
Good. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Shrutyai namostu Shrutyai namostu shubha karma phala prasutyai. Ratyai namostu ramaniya gunarnavayai. Shakyai namostu shatapatra niketanayai. Pushtyai namostu purushottama vallabhayai. Next. I don't know, back to maybe from the beginning. Okay, I see again Dr. Anandi's name. Dr. Anandi, or wait 1 minute, ma'am. Sujata, who didn't get a chance to chant? Okay, we'll follow the order. Again, back to Dr. Anandi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Namostu Nalika Nibhananayai.
Namostu Nalika Nibananayai. Namostu Nalika Nibananayai.
Namostu Dugdhodadhik Janma Bhumyai.
Namostu Dudadi Janma Bhumyai. Namostu Dudadi Janma Bhumyai.
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 Good.
Namostu Dudadi Janma Bhumyai.
Namostu Somamrita Sodarayai.
Namostu Somamruda Sodarayai. Namostu Somamruda Sodarayai.
Don't hold im, ma'am. Namostu Somam, you said. Don't hold im. Soma Mrita. That's it.
Namostu Somamruda Sodarayai.
Good. Namostu Narayana Vallabhayai.
Namostu Narayana Vallabhayai. Namostu Narayana Vallabhayai.
This is simple. We'll move on. Next person. Deepak. 13th one. Okay.
Namo.
Yeah, 13th one. Namostu Hemam Bhujapeethikayai.
Namostu Hemam Bhujapeethikayai. Namostu Hemam Bhujapeethikayai.
Namostu Bhumandala Nayikayai.
Namostu Bhumandala Nayikayai.
Okay.
Namostu Bhumandala Nayikayai.
Namostu Devadidayaparayai.
Namostu Devadidayaparayai. Namostu Devadidayaparayai.
Namostu Sharingayudha Vallabhayai.
Namostu Shangrunghayudha Vallabhayai. Namostu Shangrunghayudha Vallabhayai.
Any doubts? I think this is simple. Next, Kalyani. Namostu Devyai Bhrigunandanayai.
नमोऽस्तु देव्यै भृगुनन्दनायै नमोऽस्तु देव्यै भृगुनन्दनायै
Namostu Vishnururasisthitayai.
नमोऽस्तु विष्णोरुरसिस्थितायै नमोऽस्तु विष्णोरुरसिस्थितायै.
Correct, correct. Rurasis, C followed by sa will become sis. Correct. Namostu Lakshmyai Kamalayayai.
नमोऽस्तु लक्ष्म्यै कमलालयायै नमोऽस्तु लक्ष्म्यै कमलालयायै
Namostu Damodara Vallabhayai.
नमोऽस्तु दामोदरवल्लभायै नमोऽस्तु दामोदरवल्लभायै.
Okay. Any doubts? Okay. Next, Lalita.
Yes, ma'am.
नमोस्तु कान्त्यै कमलेक्षणायै
Namostu Kantyai Kamalekshanayai.
Good.
Namostu Kantyai Kamalekshanayai.
नमोस्तु भूत्यै भुवनप्रसूत्यै
Namostu Putyai Bhuvana Prasutyai. Namostu Putyai Bhuvana Prasutrai.
प्रसूत्यै
Prasyutyai.
again
Namostu Putyai Bhuvana Prasutai.
प्रसूत्यै
Prasutyai.
correct
Namostu Putyai Bhuvana Prasutyai.
good नमोस्तु देवादिभिरर्चितायै
Namostu Devadi Prasi.
I'll repeat devadi bhi okay devadibhirarchitayai
Devadi
okay repeat after me devadibhi
Devadi
bhi
Devadi
not bhir bhi just stop at bhi devadibhi
Devadi
good again
Devadi
rarchi
Rakshitayai
rarchitayai
Rakshitayai.
practice okay devadibhirarchitayai
Devadi Rakshitayai.
better namostu nandatmaja vallabhayai
Namostu Nandakshmaja Vallabhayai. Namostu Nandatmaja Vallabhayai.
very good next one Lalita sorry next one Meena ma'am okay maybe she is okay after me Jyoti ma'am
Yes, ma'am.
okay sampatkarani sakalendriyanandanani
Sampatkarani sakalendriyanandanani. Sampatkarani sakalendriyanandanani.
साम्राज्य दान विभवानी okay? साम्राज्य दान विभवानी सरोरुहाक्षी
साम्राज्यदान विभवानि सरोरुहाक्षी. साम्राज्यदान विभवानि सरोरुहाक्षी.
त्वद्वन्दनानि दुरिताहरणोद्यतानि
त्वद्वन्दनानि दुरिताहरणोद्यतानि. त्वद्वन्दनानि दुरिताहरणोद्यतानि.
मामेव मातर्राणि what is it ma'am okay sorry मामेव मातरनिशं कलयन्तु मान्ये
मामेव मातरनिशं कलयन्तु मान्ये. मामेव मातरनिशं कलयन्तु मान्ये.
okay we'll move on
Yes,
I'm there, ma'am. Meenakshi.
Neenakshi yeah yat kataksha samupasana vidhihi
Yat kataksha samubhasana vidhihi यत् कटाक्ष समुपासना विधिः
सेवकस्य सकलार्थ सम्पदः
सेवकस्य सकलार्थ सम्पदः सेवकस्य सकलार्थ सम्पदः
सन्तनोति वचनाङ्गमानसैः
सन्तनोति वचनाङ्गमानसैः सन्तनोति वचनाङ्गमानसैः
त्वां मुरारिहृदयेश्वरीं भजे
त्वां मुरारिहृदयेश्वरीं भजे त्वां मुरारिहृदयेश्वरीं भजे.
Okay, good. Pavani.
Yes, ma'am.
सरसिजनिलये सरोजहस्ते
सरसिजनयने सरोजहस्ते. No?
Sarasijanilaye is there in my text. Yours is Nayane. It's okay. Meaning I think the same. Lotus like eyes, right? Yeah, that's fine. You can say.
Yes, ma'am. सरसिजनयने सरोजहस्ते सरसिजनयने सरोजहस्ते
धवलतमां शुक
धवलतमां शुख
गन्धमाल्यशोभे
गन्धमाल्यशोभे
सरसिजनिलये सरोजहस्ते धवलतमां शुक गन्धमाल्यशोभे
सरसिजनयने सरोजहस्ते धवलतमां शुकगन्धमाल्यशोभे.
Okay. Bhagavati, we'll say one. Bhagavati Harivallabhe Manognye.
भगवति हरिवल्लभे मनोज्ञे भगवति हरिवल्लभे मनोज्ञे
त्रिभुवन भूति करिप्रसीद मह्यम्
त्रिभुवन भूति करिप्रसीद मह्यम् त्रिभुवन भूति करिप्रसीद मह्यम्.
Okay, we'll move on. Next person. Okay, Sri Vidya, then after that Subhadra, and then Usha. Sri Vidya. Dighastibhik.
दिग्गस्तिभिः
Good.
दिग्गस्तिभिः
Kanaka Kumbha Mukhavasrishta.
कनककुम्भा मुखा कुम्भ ओके कनककुम्भ मुखावसृष्टा
Correct.
कनककुम्भा मुखावसृष्टा
दिघस्तिभिः कनककुम्भमुखावसृष्टा
दिग्गस्तिभिः कनककुम्भमुखावसृष्टा दिग्गस्तिभिः कनककुम्भमुखावसृष्टा
स्वर्वाहिनी विमलचारु जलप्लुताङ्गीं. Right?
स्वर्वाहिनी विमलचारु जलप्लुताङ्गी it's लुताङ्गीं स्वर्वाहिनी विमलचारु जलप्लुताङ्गीम्.
Okay. प्रातर्नमामि जगतां जननीमशेषा.
प्रातर्नमामि जगतां जननीम शेषा प्रातर्नमामि जगतां जननीम शेषा
लोकाधिनाथ गृहिणीम sorry, one second. लोकाधिनाथ गृहिणीम मृताब्धिपुत्रीं, right?
लोकादिनाथ मृतान्दिपुत्रीं
Small finger.
लोका
okay, मृताब्धि.
okay ma'am.
It was good.
लोकादिनाथ गृहिणीम मृतान्दिपुत्रीं
मृताब बस.
okay ma'am. Okay. Okay. लोकाधिनाद गृहिणीम मृताब्धिपुत्रीं.
Okay, better. I'll chant this. दिग्घस्तिभिः कनककुम्भमुखावसृष्टा स्वर्वाहिनी विमलचारुजलप्लुताङ्गीं प्रातर्नमामि जगतां जननीमशेषा लोकाधिनाथ गृहिणीममृताब्धिपुत्रीं. Next one. Subhadra ma'am. Okay, next after Subhadra.
Yes,
Sujata.
ma'am.
Okay. Chant ma'am, 20th one. Kamale kamalaksha vallabhe tvam.
Kamale kamalaksha vallabhe tvam.
Twice ma'am, one more time.
Kamale kamalaksha vallabhe tvam.
Karunapura tarangitairapangaihi.
Karunapura tarangitairapangaihi. Karunapura tarangitairapangaihi.
Okay. Karunapura tarangitairapangaihi. Okay ma'am. Next.
Karuna.
Try ma'am.
Karunapura tarangitairapangaihi.
Correct. So gai is long. He also will be long. Lot of people make that mistake. Gai, he. Either they say gai short and he very long, or gai will be very long and he will be very short. Okay? Gai, he. Okay. Avalokaya mama kinchananam.
Avalokya mama kinjananam.
Avalokaya ka, yeah, fully.
Avalokaya mama kinjananam.
Prathamam patramakritrimam dayayaha.
Pradhamam patramakritrimam dayayaha. Pradhamam patramakritrimam dayayam.
Okay, I'll repeat this line. Prathamam, you got it. Patrama, that also you got. But don't hold the, you said patramak. There is no holding. This kr, if it comes, you should not hold. But if this were to be kr, then you have to hold ik. Got it, mama? Kr, you have to hold. Kr, no holding. Patrama kritrimam dayayaha.
Pradhamam patramakritrimam dayayaha.
One more time.
Pradhamam patramakritrimam dayayaha.
Without your knowledge, you're holding ma. Patramak. You're ending that mak sound. Patrama Kritrimam. Split it, ma'am. Initially, when you're practicing,
Pradamam.
Patrama Kritrimam.
Dayaya. Pradamam patramam dayayaga.
Correct. Correct. Next one, please. Okay. Usha. Devi. Usha, are you there? Usha, can you hear me?
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I can hear you. Devi. You have this 21st shloka, ma, because lot of books have only 21 shlokas, but I have 22. You have it. Okay, good. We'll say that.
Don't have that.
Don't have this. This is.
Sloka only I have. Next sloka.
Yeah, because lot of books have only 21. Anybody has 21st? Okay, then we'll skip.
I have, ma'am. I have.
Okay,
I have 21, 22.
Okay, you chant, ma'am. Usha, you chant the next one, okay? Ma'am, you chant. Deve prasida jagadishwari lokamataha.
Devi prasida jagadishwari lokamataha.
Mataha. Ma'am, mataha.
Okay, ma'am. Devi prasida jagadishwari lokamataha. Devi prasida jagadishwari lokamataha.
Kalyana gatri kamalekshana jeevanathe.
Kalyana gatri kamalekshana jeevanathe. Kalyana gatri kamalekshana jeevanate.
Daridriya bhiti hridayam sharanagatam mam.
Daridriya bhiti hridayam sharanagatam mam. Daridriya bhiti hridayam sharanagatam mam.
Alokaya pratidinam sadayairapangaihi.
Alokaya pratidinam sadayairapangaihi. Alokaya pratidinam sadayairapangaihi.
Okay, good. Next, Usha.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Stuvanti ye stutibhi.
Stutanti ye stutibhi. Stuvanti ye stutibhi.
Ramubhiranvaham.
Ramobi rakvaham. Ramobi rakvaham.
Stuvanti yes will come, okay? Ye plus sa. Stuvanti ye stutibhiramubhiranvaham.
Stuvanti ye stutibhi ramebi ranvaham.
Mu is alone long. Ramubhi.
Stuvanti ye stutibhi ramobi ranvaham.
Correct. Trayimayim tribhuvana mataram ramam.
Trayimayim tribhuvana mataram ramam. Trayimayim tribhuvana mataram ramam.
Gunadhika gurutara bhagya bhaginaha.
Gunatika gurutara bhagya bhaginaha. Gunatika gurutara bhagya bhaginaha.
Bhavanti te bhuvi buddha bhavitar shayah. Bhavanti te bhuvi buddha bhavita shayaha. Shayaha. Okay. Buddha bhavitashayah.
Bhavanti te bhuvi Vadu bhavitashayah
Shayaha.
Shayaha Bhavanti te bhuvi Vadu bhavitashayah.
Okay, I'll just repeat this. Stuvanti ye stutibhiramobhiranvaham. Trayīmayīm tribhuvana mataram ramam. Gunadhika gurutara bhagya bhaginaha. Bhavanti te bhuvi buddha bhavitashayah. Iti Srimad Shankaracharya Krita Kanakadhara Stotram Sampurnam. So we concluded this. I think I'll be posting this video in my channel. Kindly share, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and please give as Guru Dakshana, please give me feedback. If you found something incorrect, please help me understand it, and I will correct myself if I've made any mistake. And kindly share my videos with your friends and other circles. Any doubts from anybody?
No, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was so nice.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
First time I'm learning this, ma'am. Thank you.
Oh, great. Thank you.
Ma'am, I have a
Thank you so
small
much.
class. The
Yes.
recording of this, you'll be sending it to us, ma'am?
Yes, I'll be posting it in my YouTube channel.
YouTube.
So,
Okay.
yeah. That way it will have a better reach. People who have not learned it, it will be available. So these are actually reusable assets. So and evergreen. So once we have them recorded, we can reuse them any number of times. That's the idea, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Very noble.
Bye
God
bye.
bless you.
Thank you all for
Bye, bye.
joining, and it was a wonderful class as always. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Hari
you.
Om.
Bye.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, if you have time, you can chant the whole sloka by yourself and then post in the YouTube.
Yeah, I haven't. Yeah, sure, I'll do that. I haven't stopped the recorder. I'll do it after you all leave the meeting. I'll chant.
Thank you.
That way you can skip.
Yes.
Yeah, you can skip to the specific section of the video. I'll do that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye 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 bye.
Okay. Namaskaram, ma'am.
Namaskaram.